other contestants abekade khona lapha with Big Brother? And if so, bobani labo ofume nabo ama-bond with a friendship or of romance?
Of romance, it's obvious.
Ask to the night.
Oh,
Can't wait. Yeah.
and then others, it was just neutral. Remember, I didn't speak. Okay, I spoke, but I didn't speak to everyone.
Oh, we start saying less.
No. Mina bengivele ngizoyiqoqa nje ngihlale khona lami ngiyenze ngikuzele bese ngiphilile ekhaya.
Yeah.
Yabo so kodwa uMelino hayi mfana obhuti omdala lapho. Uyabona?
Yeah.
And then bese kuba yibombuzi. Ngeke ngibadalule bonke kodwa nje bekhulumeka nabo. Nane top 5 futhi sikhulumena kakhulu ke nabo. Ngabe sisele sodwa.
Yeah.
Nalo into yena.
You know, Felix, Uswe Kuluva, actually, besides the 2M that he has in his pocket, Wahamba with another 27,000 from you know those games, the Friday game that says 27,000. And I'm just like, dude, what are you going to do with this money? Honestly, there's one local man basa donate for the money.
Yeah, u2 million besihlele lokuzana ukuthi silule isandla ebantwini. Njengoba ngithi bavotile. Ube bayazi phela ukuthi mhlawumbe engayikhipha inhliziyo babona ukuthi ngiboka kangani kwamazwi amcabanga ukuthi agoqa konke noma injabulo enginayo nentokomali enginayo. Angibona ukuthi izogoqa so kulula nje isandla ukubona singalekelela kuphi. Kwamanje sikakazi sizokwenzani kodwa isabelo nje sincane.
This is beautiful.
So besixoxe kodwa le ngasese. Abona ngibona kababa uNkulunkulu ubusisile nangothando labantu bayakweseka basazokuseka futhi baqhubeke. Uyabona le isipho sakho sokuba mnene uNkulunkulu abantu abakhe behliziyo zemnene uyabanakekela. Uyazi wena uthi uqhamuka updating zakho thina amaphupha akathini.